What's up, the Dream Fam? Welcome to Their Natural YouTube channel. My name is Liliana and I make weekly workout and food or cooking videos for women with polycystic ovarian syndrome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a 5-minute core workout that is going to serve as a guide if you want to start introducing ab exercises in your daily workout routines. So this exercise is completely equipment free. You only need an exercise mat. There is almost no jumping involved for those of you who work out in your apartments. We're going to be making 13 different exercises, 10 repetitions for each exercise. There is only one round, so make sure that you watch the screen to be able to follow along with me. There is no warm-up or cool-down for this workout, so make sure that you make those at the beginning and at the end of the workout, and also take into account that I'll be giving you specific tips so that you can adopt the right posture and that you engage those abs from the beginning till the end. So we're going to start with crunches. Make sure that your back is flat to the floor, like your hand cannot go through. In reference to your neck, make sure that you look to the front a little bit up. And in reference to your hands, they are like decoration. You can put them close to your temples or crossed in front of your chest. So for the next exercise, you're going to keep a tightened core and the back flat to the floor. So basically what you're going to do is twist the whole core, making sure that your elbow touches your knee. For these crunches, your feet are flat on the floor, knees bent, your abs are tight, arms are straight, and they try to touch your ankles every time you lift your back off the floor. Well, this is an easy one. Your lower back is flat on the floor and you only lift your shoulders so that your hands can touch your feet. Come on, ladies, keep those abs tight while you're bending from right to left, trying to touch your ankles. Lean back around 15 degrees with a strong back and a tightened core. Don't hunch your shoulders or crane your neck. Lift your feet off the floor and raise your calves as high as you can and twist from one side to the other. Come on, girls, don't forget to breathe, is super important, and squeeze those abs every time that you touch your feet with your hands. Breathing actually engages your core, making your abs work harder even on simple exercises. Look at my belly. I try to tighten my abs muscles as I breathe out. Lie on the floor with your legs extended straight. Keep your abs tight, is super important so that your lower back stays pressed to the floor. At any moment you lift your lower back off the floor, that's what gives people a back pain. You can keep the same position of the previous exercise. You can put your hands down your glutes to make sure that your lower back stays pressed to the floor, and you cross your legs in the front. Your lower back stays pressed to the floor and you lift your shoulders so that they can touch your knees. Begin in a solid plank position, pull your knee to your chest and keep switching knees. Round toes into the floor and squeeze glutes to stabilize your body. Neutralize your neck and spine by looking at a spot on the floor about a foot beyond your hands. And stay in this position as long as possible without compromising your form or breath. Place forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders and arms parallel to your body at about shoulder width. That's everything for today, ladies. If you liked this workout, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.